Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we've got a lot to talk about. We've got more surprise pennies. This one's for everyone, plus we have new glitches. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that Dollar General is absolutely on fire this week. We've got new coupons, new glitches, paper products, we have new clearance markdowns, a penny list, plus tons of surprise pennies. I have uploaded 2 videos yesterday going over tons of items, so make sure that you go and check them out. And the deals don't stop there, because we're going to talk about more in today's video. So if you have missed out on anything that I've uploaded so far this week, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, now we're going to start off with a brand new surprise penny item. So if you are new to penny shopping, please remember that we do not ask the employees about penny items, penny sales, whatever you want to call it. We do not talk to the employees about them, because that throws up a big red flag. They're going to go and pull all the penny items off the shelves, and you're not going to be able to purchase them. So do not talk to the employees about penny items. Also, if you need the penny policy, it is posted for you over on the community tab. So here we go. We've got the Oreo red velvet cookies. The UPC code is on your screen, and these are 1 penny right now at Dollar General for everyone. So you guys run, get out there and grab these items before they are gone. I'm not sure if they are putting these out for Valentine's or what, but they are in fact ringing up 1 penny. I repeat, this is not a Your Miles May Vary penny like we have talked about in the previous videos. This is a penny right now at Dollar General. Now, since we're all running to Dollar General today, I need you guys to know about a few more deals that are going on. And this week at DG, it is a huge buy one, get one free week. We have sales and coupons. So up first, we have the Breeze pads. These are on sale, buy one, get one free. So you're going to pay $4.50 for 2, which is fantastic. And then we also have the Pace Salsa 16-ounce jars, buy one, get one free. You're paying $3 for 2, making those just $1.50 each. All right, up next we have this digital coupon for buy one, get one free on our Airwick products. So there's a few different ways that y'all can use this coupon. You can pick up 2 of the regular Airwick oil refills. They're priced at $6.25 each. You're going to pay $6.25 for 2. Or you can pick up the Vibrant refills. Those are priced at $7 each, and you're going to pay $7 for 2. But we do have a little glitch going on, and if you ring up the most expensive product first, which would be your Airwick Vibrant refills, and then you ring up the regular refills at $6.25, it is going to take off the full $7. So that's going to leave you paying $6.25 for 2. Now, we also received a buy one, get one free digital coupon on our Palmolive and Ajax dish soap. The Ajax, those are priced at $4.25. The Palmolive is priced at $3.50. And we have the same little glitch going on here. So what you want to do is ring up your Ajax for $4.25 first. Then your Palmolive, the coupon is going to take off the higher amount of $4.25, and that's going to leave you paying $3.50 for both products. Now, I do want you all to be careful before you go and do this deal and double check your accounts, because on some accounts, you may have a one-off one for the Ajax dish soap clipped to your account, and if that is the case, you might want to use that before you try and do this glitch deal. All right, up next, everybody loves a good Reese's glitch. So this week at Dollar General, we have the Reese's Cups on sale, buy 2, get 1 for free. They are normally priced at $1.35 each. With this glitch, it is picking up the regular price, and then it's applying the sale and our 2 off 9 DG store coupon. So if you want to pick up a total of 9, that is going to leave you paying $6.10. Now, with this glitch, I want you guys to keep in mind that you can mix and match. So if you want to try out any of these new Reese's Cups, we've got the Reese's Big Cup. We have the Reese's Big Cup with caramel. We have the Reese's Chocolate Lovers. We also have the Nutrageous bars, as well as the Fast Break. All of these are priced at $1.35. When you're in the store, if you're not sure, just scan it. Make sure that the coupon and that buy 2, get 1 free sale shows up underneath. Now, here's another Reese's glitch that y'all can do this week at Dollar General, because we do have the 5-count Reese's snack packs on sale, 5 for $5. Same kind of things going on. It's picking up the regular price, applying the sale, plus our 2 off 9 DG store coupon. So what you want to do is pick up a total of 8, and that is going to leave you paying $6.75 for 8 5-count snack packs. All right, now while I have you all here, I do want to remind everybody that we do have coupons that expire today on January the 31st, and these are some high-value coupons. So we've got a 3 off 1 for our Bounty paper towels, 2 off 1 for our Bounty paper towels. We have a 155 off 1 for the scent beads, and then we also have that 4 off 1 on the Always Discreet liners. So if you have not used those yet, make sure that you use them while you're out at Dollar General looking for those penny cookies today. And don't forget, we still have this glitch going on with our paper products. So we have this 5 off 25 on our P&G paper products. That is a DG store coupon. And then we also have an instant savings this week for when you spend $25 on P&G paper products, you're going to instantly save $5 at the register. This deal is still working. I just tried it out yesterday evening. It is still stacking. So basically what you want to do is get your subtotal up to $25 before coupons. Then your 5 off 25, the instant savings, and any other manufacturer coupons you have will come off at the register. Now, also, this is very, very important. Quick little update on our $4 Bounty DG cashback offer. That offer has now been fixed. I explained to you all a few videos back that that was a glitch. It was not supposed to be working on the Bounty Essential Paper Towels, and that now has been fixed, and it is only working on the regular Bounty paper towels. So when you're at the store, make sure that you scan and make sure that all of the coupons and cashback offers that you are wanting to use are showing up underneath each product, because I have noticed that the instant savings is not working with all of the Bounty paper towels either. So scan, scan, scan. Now, last but certainly not least, I do want to give you guys a quick little update on our P&G spend coupons, because I have been seeing that some people have been putting out that it's stacking. I have not seen any proof of it stacking and actually working and them receiving their coupons back on their account. And we've been trying it all week long. I told you guys at the beginning of the week, I had 2 other ladies in different parts of the country working on this deal with me. And unfortunately, so far, we have not received those coupons back on our accounts. And typically, if they do work and stack, usually it just takes a few minutes. Now, I do have a couple more ideas, so I am going to try out a couple more things today. So y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned. I will have another video up for you all later today. So that's going to be it for me for now. Y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because I have more crazy deals coming at y'all very, very soon. And before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.